Assalamualaikum students, hope you are doing good. Today we will solve exercise of unit number 10. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. And the first statement is a magnetic field is the area around a magnet where its force is weakest, strongest, visible or invisible. Option B is the correct answer. Where its force is strongest. Which of these can prevent a magnet from becoming demagnetized? Store it carefully. Put it in the oven, store it close to other magnets, hit it repeatedly. And the correct answer is store it carefully. क्योंकि ये वाले जो 3 ऑप्शन है बेसिकली इनकी वजह से मैग्नेट डीमैग्नेटाइज्ड हो जाता है. Why are electromagnets useful? They are always magnetized. They look nice. They allow us to control magnetism. They are heavy. Option C is the correct answer. Why? Because we can control the magnetism of the electromagnets. Where does the needle of a magnet compass always point? South pole, upwards, north pole, equator. Option C is the correct answer, north pole. Which of following does not use an electromagnet? Speaker, steam train, maglev trains, generators. Option B is the correct answer, steam trains. Next question, question number 2. Mark these sentences with tick or cross. Magnetism is a type of electricity. This statement is false. Magnets attract only steel or iron objects. This statement is also false. Magnets basically attract anything that are made up of metals. Magnets can never lose their magnetism. False. Why? Because electromagnets can lose their magnetism if current is turned off. The magnetic field of a magnet is the area of force around it. This statement is true. Electromagnets cannot be switched on and off. This statement is also false. Why? Because electromagnets can be switched on and off. In this way, we can control the magnetism of the electromagnets. Opposite poles of a magnet attract each other, while similar poles repel each other, like positive and negative repel negative poles. Now we'll discuss the next question. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. A piece of iron or steel that can attract objects made of iron or steel is called a magnet. The area around a magnet where its force of attraction can be felt is called the magnetic field. Magnetic field. Process or method by which a magnet loses its power is called demagnetization. Demagnetization. An iron nail can be turned into a magnet by passing electric current around it. Such a magnet is known as an electromagnet. Electromagnet. Okay student, hope so you will understand. Thank you for listening.